Hey everybody, it's Kristen here, and I am doing my first microneedling treatment at Dr. Horowitz's office in Bel Air, Maryland. And right now, the esthetician, Ashley, is prepping my face by putting on the hyaluronic acid, which the microneedling, the very small pins that are going to be in my face, is going to push that hyaluronic acid deep in my pores. So I'm going to be coming to you with some video snippets with this entire process, as well as some of my take-home kit and the procedures that I do at home to help this process move along. And I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly, the entire part of this, and I'll show you my end results as well. So I will be showing you guys a couple snippets, so I'll come back in a couple minutes. So we just started the process of the microneedling using the collagen pin, and my esthetician is rubbing the hyaluronic acid in as she is microneedling starting at my forehead. It's uncomfortable, but it's not painful. And you can see my skin starting to turn red in areas as we go over them a couple times. By tomorrow, I may have some scabbing, redness, and my face will be feeling tight. But as of right now, I'm not really feeling any pain or anything. It's just uncomfortable, but enough that I can still video. So here is the take-home kit that I am going to get with my treatment, and this is a post-procedure protocol, and it's going to give instructions on what I'm going to use. This is a special formulated cleansing wash, as well as a hyaluronic acid blend, a sunscreen, which is very important after the microneedling, as well as the coconut milk moisture. So this is what I'm going to be using for the next 4 days for an at-home treatment, and I'm also going to be showing you guys what my face looks like throughout this procedure and process as well. Good morning, everyone. It is day 2 of my microneedling. I just got it done yesterday, and I had just woken up today. I took a shower and I washed my face with the cleanser that was provided to me, and my face feels kind of tight, and it probably looks worse than it is. It doesn't really hurt that much, but there is some redness and tightness, especially on my cheeks. Any of these spots right here are sunspots that will scab and lighten, so that's a good thing. Today is probably the ugly day. I'm gonna wear a hat and sunglasses, but I make sure that I cleanse, and I put on my hyaluronic acid, my coconut milk moisturizer, and of course my SPF that was all provided to me after my microneedling in my kit, because if I'm going outside, I need to make sure that I wear the SPF. It's also tinted, which is good. So I will come back and show you guys my results again tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. It is day 3 of my microneedling recovery, and as you can see, my face still has redness on it, and there is blotches of red, and what that is actually a good thing, because that is my sunspots that are coming to the surface that are going to lighten and go away. So what you see here is just the remnants of the microneedling, and it's a little bit of scabbing and bruising, which is absolutely normal. My face feels fine. I'm not in any pain in any way. I feel a little tight and a little dry, but thankfully I got these products from Dr. Horowitz that are going to help that. I did my cleanser that they gave me. I did my hyaluronic acid blend. I just put that on top, and then I did the coconut milk moisture, which felt so good, like on top, and just really helped moisturize any of these dry spots right here. Since I am going out of the house today again, I've been going out of the house every day, doesn't really bother me, but I'm using my broad spectrum SPF, which is important every day, which is even more important after you get this microneedling because your skin's exposed. So I do like this because it is tinted, so it is going to help kind of do a little bit of cover up on top of any of the redness or scabbing that I have. So just showing you guys day 3. I will be back to show you what my day 4 results look like. Again, if you have any questions, you can comment or message me. I am here with my day 5 progress from my microneedling, and as you can see, I have some scabbing and some redness still, but it doesn't hurt at all, and I'm just keeping the areas moisturized, and I do have some dry skin and peeling going on as well. It has been about 2 weeks since my first microneedling treatment, and I have no makeup on, but what I see is clear skin, and I see that the sunspots that I have are now super faded or gone, and the couple of the moles that I have left are really faded too. So I think by my second and third treatment, is which they recommend, that these will be completely gone. Overall, I'm really, really happy with my results. The downtime wasn't too bad, and I'm excited to see what the next 2 treatments bring.